Uuwi po ba kayo ngayong Pasko? Aba, alam po ninyo namang malaking gastos yan. And for this week's travels, we show you a budget-friendly hotel that gives guests the best of everything.
Balitang America travels with Mango Tours. Presyong sagad, tiket agad.
Right in front of the third largest shopping mall in Asia is the tallest of all Microtel chains in the world. This is the Microtel Mall of Asia, a 12-story hotel boasting 150 luxurious rooms with bay views, all at affordable prices.
We're a no-frills hotel. However, we are complemented with international standards, and that's value for money for our balikbayans.
Besides its comfort and affordability, Microtel Mall of Asia has the best location. Not only is it walking distance to the Mall of Asia, it is also close to the SMX Convention Center, World Trade Center, and Manila Bay. It is also only 15 minutes away from the Ninoy Aquino International Airport.
One of our sites will be De La Salle University. That will be where the convention is for 2 days. Therefore, we've chosen Microtel to be one of the hotel partners because of the convenience to go to the university.
Besides unbeatable room rates, what makes Microtel Mall of Asia a must-see for overseas Filipinos? The roof deck's breathtaking view. The roof deck holds the 5 feet deep swimming pool, perfect spot to see the weekly grand fireworks display of SM. Guests can also dine at Millie's restaurant with its world-class dishes and wide collection of imported wines. So, it does not have to cost you a fortune to have a fabulous stay in Metro Manila. There's always Microtel Mall of Asia. This is Henny Espinosa. Until next time, enjoy your travels.
For all your travel needs from any point in the USA to Manila and beyond, call Mango Tours at 1-866 to Manila. Operators are standing by. Mango Tours, presyong sagad, tiket agad.